So, before you take another supplement, drink another glass of water, or follow another health protocol, there is something happening inside your body right now that mainstream medicine has never once been honest with you about. Dr. Sebi warned us about this for decades. Inside every single one of your cells, right now, there is a biological environment. And depending on what you have been eating, what medications you have been taking, and the habits you have been living by for the past 10, 20, even 30 years, that environment is either one where disease cannot survive, or one where it feeds, multiplies, and spreads without resistance. Those of you watching right now who are over 55, this is the most important thing you will hear today. Because nature heals in layers. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to transform the one internal environment that every disease in your body depends on to survive. Stay with me, because remedy number 3 is the one most people over 60 are completely skipping right now. And it is costing them everything. Dr. Sebi once said this, and I want these words to sit with you before anything else. The body does not become sick from the outside. Disease is cultivated from within. Change the environment, change the outcome. An alkaline body is not a miracle. It is the natural state your body has been trying to return to all along. And the herbs remember the way. Here is what Dr. Sebi was clear about, and what almost no mainstream health channel will tell you. Your body has a measurable biological acid-alkaline balance. And every cell, every organ, every fluid system inside the human body was designed to function in a slightly alkaline state, between 7.3 and 7.4 on the pH scale. That is not a theory. That is basic human biology. But here is what most people over 60 are never told. Decades of processed foods. Decades of over-the-counter medications. Decades of following mainstream dietary guidelines built around animal proteins, refined grains, and synthetic supplements. All of it pushes that internal pH in one direction. Acidic. Chronically, persistently, silently acidic. Dr. Sebi was clear about this. He called chronic acidity the root of all mucus accumulation, all lymphatic congestion, all cellular inflammation. Not a symptom of disease. The root of it. And those of you watching right now who have been dealing with this for months or even years, this is not your fault. Here is exactly why. The mainstream system was never designed to address root environments. It was designed to manage symptoms. To give you a name for what you are experiencing. To give you something to take. And to ask you to come back in 3 months. Raise your hand if you have ever been told by a doctor, just take this medication, monitor it, and we will check in again in 90 days. That is not healing. That is management. And Dr. Sebi spent his entire life drawing that line, loudly, clearly, and without apology. Because here is what happens when the internal environment stays acidic. The mucus stays. The inflammation stays. The lymphatic blockage stays. Your organs work harder than they were designed to work. Your cells communicate slower than they were designed to communicate. And you feel it, not as a dramatic event, but as a slow, grinding, daily weight. Heaviness in the joints. Sluggishness in the digestion. Pressure behind the eyes. A fatigue that sleep does not fix. That is your acidic environment speaking. And it has been speaking for longer than you realize. There are 3 daily habits most responsible for keeping that environment locked in place. And they are not what most people expect. Number 1, processed table salt. Dr. Sebi identified it as a direct disruptor of the body's mineral balance, replacing the alkaline minerals your cells need with compounds they cannot process. Number 2, synthetic vitamin supplements made from inorganic, laboratory-derived compounds your body treats as foreign material rather than fuel. Number 3, the habit of consuming acidic beverages, commercial coffee, pasteurized juices, conventional dairy, first thing in the morning. Before the body has had a single moment to reset its internal chemistry from the night before. These are the 3 habits feeding the biological enemy Dr. Sebi warned about for decades. And the good news, because there is very good news today, is that there is a direct, natural, step-by-step path to correct that environment. Using the exact herbs and protocol Dr. Sebi dedicated his life to sharing. Stay with me, because before I give you herb number 2, I need you to understand something about the sequence that changes everything. Because without this next part, the entire alkaline protocol will only deliver half the result your body is actually capable of. Dr. Sebi said this, and carry it with you through everything I am about to share. You cannot heal the body in the same environment that created the disease. Nature does not patch. Nature rebuilds from the inside out. Give the body what it was designed to receive, and it will do exactly what it was designed to do. There are 5 herbs Dr. Sebi consistently placed at the center of alkaline restoration. 5 herbs that work not by suppressing symptoms, but by directly correcting the acidic environment at the cellular level. We are going through each one, step by step. Herb number 1, Burdock Root. Dr. Sebi believed that Burdock Root was one of nature's most direct blood purifiers, specifically designed for a chronically acidic, lymphatically congested internal environment. Think of Burdock Root as a deep internal filter. After years of acidic accumulation, imagine the residue that lines the walls of a drain over decades. That is what Burdock Root is designed to address. It moves directly through the blood, pulls acidic waste into the lymphatic system, and supports the kidneys in eliminating it cleanly rather than recirculating it. Dr. Sebi's recommended preparation: 1 tablespoon of dried burdock root simmered in 2 cups of spring water for 20 minutes. Consumed warm. First thing in the morning, before any food. Minimum 4 consecutive days. One important caution. Those of you over 65 who are currently managing blood-thinning medications, approach burdock root carefully. Even the most powerful healing herb can become a weapon if you do not understand this. If this applies to you, Bladderwrack is a gentler entry point, and I am covering it next. This is where it gets critical, because herb number 3 is the one that directly addresses what has been happening inside your lymphatic system for years. And most people over 60 have never encountered it in this context. Stay with me. Herb number 2, sea moss. Dr. Sebi called sea moss the most complete mineral food in nature. 92 of the 102 minerals the human body is composed of, found in a single plant. But most people do not understand sea moss in the context of alkaline restoration. It is not simply a nutrient supplement. Sea moss is an internal alkalizing agent. It coats the mucous membranes, the same membranes where acidic residue accumulates, and creates a protective, mineral-rich environment that disease finds genuinely hostile. Dr. Sebi recommended 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel daily, mixed into spring water, blended into an herbal tea, or taken directly. Morning or midday, never late evening, as the mineral activation can interfere with sleep in some people over 60. Caution: those managing hyperthyroidism should begin with 1 teaspoon and observe carefully. Sea moss is naturally rich in iodine. For most viewers, this is not a concern. But Dr. Sebi was always clear: even the most powerful healing herb can become a weapon when used without awareness. Herb number 3, Bladderwrack. Dr. Sebi called Bladderwrack the thyroid's closest ally in alkaline medicine. And here is why this matters directly for the acidic body environment. A sluggish thyroid does not simply slow your metabolism. It slows your entire lymphatic drainage system. It holds the body in a state of biological stagnation, which keeps the acidic environment locked exactly where it is. Bladderwrack is the key that unlocks the drainage system. When the lymphatic system begins moving again, the acidic waste has somewhere to go, and the body begins releasing what it has been storing. Dr. Sebi's preparation: 1 teaspoon of dried Bladderwrack added directly to the morning burdock root tea. Taken together, first thing in the morning. Dr. Sebi was clear that combining these 2 herbs amplifies the effect of both, because nature heals in layers, and these 2 plants speak the same biological language. And here is what you can physically expect across the first 3 days of this protocol. Day 1. Most people over 60 notice a subtle but distinct shift in their breathing by mid-morning. Deeper, cleaner, a sense of openness in the chest that has been absent for longer than they can remember. Day 2, the digestion begins to move differently. Less pressure, less bloating. The body is beginning to release what has been sitting in the lymphatic system for years. And by day 3, this is exactly what Dr. Sebi said to watch for. When your body does this, you will know with certainty the protocol is working. Herb number 4, sarsaparilla. Dr. Sebi believed sarsaparilla was the great cellular messenger, the herb that delivers iron-based oxygen directly into the blood. And oxygen is the ultimate enemy of the acidic environment. Disease cannot survive where oxygen moves freely and in full concentration. Sarsaparilla works alongside Bladderwrack and Burdock Root to complete what Dr. Sebi called the alkaline triad: purify the blood, drain the lymph, oxygenate the cells. Each layer amplifying the one before it. Preparation: 1 tablespoon of dried sarsaparilla root simmered in 2 cups of spring water for 15 minutes. Taken midday, separate from the morning combination. This allows the body to process each alkaline layer independently, precisely the way Dr. Sebi said nature intends. Herb number 5, blue vervain. This is the herb the nervous system has been waiting for. Dr. Sebi consistently placed blue vervain at the center of his alkaline protocol, not because it cleanses the blood directly, but because it releases the nervous system from the chronic stress response that silently keeps the body locked in an acidic state. Here is the part that is almost never discussed. Chronic stress is one of the most overlooked drivers of internal acidity. Sustained cortisol activation prevents the body from alkalizing, no matter how clean the diet, no matter how many herbal teas you consume. Blue vervain interrupts that cycle. Gently, naturally, without sedation. 1 teaspoon of dried blue vervain steeped in hot spring water for 10 minutes. Taken in the evening, 30 minutes before bed. Dr. Sebi said this single step is what separates those who experience results within 72 hours from those who take 3 weeks to notice any shift at all. Before we move into the protocol, Dr. Sebi made one combination warning explicitly clear, and I need you to hear it. Do not combine sarsaparilla with synthetic iron supplements, including commercial multivitamins that contain ferrous sulfate. The interaction does not produce greater iron absorption. It creates oxidative stress along the gut lining, directly acidifying the very environment you are working to correct. Even the most powerful healing herb can become a weapon. Dr. Sebi made this warning explicitly clear. If you are currently taking iron supplementation, transition to a whole food source first, blackstrap molasses, amaranth, or quinoa, and allow a 48-hour window before introducing sarsaparilla into your protocol. The natural alternative is safer, more absorbable, and fully aligned with the alkaline environment you are building. Here is the single most important thing I want you to carry with you from today. Disease does not begin in the body. It begins in the environment inside the body. And you have more direct control over that environment than any prescription you have ever been handed. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult with a qualified healthcare professional before beginning any new herbal protocol, especially if you are managing an existing health condition or taking prescription medication. I will see you in the next one.